You may have come across several YouTube channels with a cartoon theme, accumulating millions of views on their videos and amassing substantial earnings in the millions of dollars. I will now provide you with a comprehensive guide on creating animated cartoons for kids. By following these steps, you can not only bring joy to young viewers, but also generate income from your creations. Now, let's move on to our first step. If you don't already have a short story in mind, don't worry, ChatGPT and Google Bard are here to assist you. In this initial step, you'll need to interact with ChatGPT and ask it to create a captivating moral story for children. After this, it's time to create image prompts. If you're unsure how to write them, don't worry. Once again, you can turn to ChatGPT for assistance by asking it to provide image prompts for each scene in the story. Now, my friends, ChatGPT has crafted multiple scenes for our story. Moving on to the second phase, we need audio narration for our tale. To achieve this, please proceed to create an account on ElevenLabs. Since I'm already logged in, you can simply copy and paste all of ChatGPT's story text into the platform. Here, you have the flexibility to choose from various voices. I'll select Daniel for our narration, once the text-to-speech voice is generated.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a curious and kind-hearted boy named Sam. Sam was known for his love of nature and his eagerness to learn. He spent most of his free time exploring the forest near.
You can easily download it. In the third phase, we will focus on creating image prompts. To do this, head over to Blue Willow and sign up for an account. If you'd like a more detailed guide on using Blue Willow, you can find a link in the video description, where I demonstrate how to generate prompts for all the scenes in the story. In the next phase, after successfully generating image prompts, it's time to bring these images to life through animation. Head over to LeePix, create your account, and sign in. Once you're logged in, you can upload all your image prompts and transform them into animated sequences. Witness the magic as your story comes to life. To save your animation, simply click on the export option for downloading. To compile all the short videos created using LeePix, we'll use CapCut. Start by clicking on Create Video. Then select the YouTube video option and upload your videos. Here, you can arrange and edit them to fit the narrative and requirements of your story. Next, drag the voiceover that was downloaded from ElevenLabs and adjust it to synchronize seamlessly with the story's flow and needs.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a...
Now, it's time to export your video. You can choose from various resolution options, such as 720p or even 480p. But we highly recommend 720p for better quality. Download your video, and there you have it. Your video is now ready. In the end, you can upload it to YouTube. While this process involves some hard work, remember that with dedication, you have the potential to earn millions from these videos. Just keep in mind that consistency is key. Aim to upload a video every 1 or 2 days to establish your YouTube channel and attract more views. Best of luck on your journey.